Welcome to Ocrop's YouTube channel, your world for information.
How are you? The recipe for day is crispy bitter gourd fries. And before we get into the video, thank everyone for their support by subscribing to my channel and watching my videos regularly. If you haven't, please do that. And those, please hit the bell button also so that you get immediate notifications of my future videos as well. So, you all like crispy butternut fries? Let's see how they are made, and it's all homemade recipe. Nutritious value, high nutritious value, low cost when you make at home, and you can enjoy some healthy food as well. Let's get.
What are you telling here, sir? Are you asking to eat me fried food? I have heard it to be unhealthy. The deep fry strain your digestive system. You see, bitter gourd has properties to promote your digestion as well. So, compensated. So the fried foods are fatty, but not much of fats here. Do I bloat? No. Bitter gourd has control on fat metabolism. Fried food increases your chances of heart diseases and diabetic. No. Bitter gourd controls your diabetic. In fact, it helps in your insulin secretion. Bitter gourd is bitter. Yes, that's the bitter truth. But always what is good will be little dull in taste, and that is compensated by frying. You try it, you eat it, and you say whether it is bitter or it's crispy, or the combination. Most of you will love it. Health benefits here are endless. Compare it with any other chips, be it potato chips or tapioca chips or any other chips for that matter. Bitter gourd chips is the healthiest of deep fried chips. Nice way to balance your health effects as well as your taste buds. Prepare crispy bitter gourd fries. Wash the bitter gourd and pat them dry. Slice them thin and discard the seeds. Heat the oil in a pan. You may use sunflower oil, mustard oil, sesame oil, or any other edible oil. Once the oil is ready for cooking, add the sliced bitter gourds in batches. Deep fry them and remove the excess oil. Add salt, pepper, and chili powder as required. Allow it to settle. Your crispy deep fried bitter gourd fries are ready to eat. Here are some tips. The slice should be much thinner. For the thinner slicing, better the taste and crispiness. Deep frying to the right level is always advisable. If you know any other methods or if you have tried in a different method, remember to register them, record them in the comment section. Your valuable insights may be helpful to many, and I will also look into that for sure. value of this homemade bitter gourd chips. For every serving of 100 grams, you get 4 grams of carbohydrates and 1 gram of protein and negligible fat. Rich in vitamin C, you also find vitamin A, sodium, traces of calcium and iron. For every 100 gram of serving, you get 3 gram of dietary fiber. And the good news is you can burn the 17 calories energy in 1 minute by running. It is safe because it is homemade and what more, it is crispy, also suiting your taste bud, same time giving some additional nutritious value as well. Gourd is naturally hypoglycemic and increases the insulin levels. Gourd cures blood disorders. Gourd acts as an antidote for alcohol intoxication, purifies and restores liver. Gourd also promotes digestion. These are some of the sweet aspects of bitter gourd.
I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Be happy, stay safe. Bye bye.